Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with upgrade package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a stunning Barcelona red. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. On the front there, you have your LED running lights that are fully automatic. You have your power adjustable side mirrors and your pre-collision alert sensor right under your front grille. But why don't we head on inside and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. And to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. Opening it up now. Really great sporty interior right off the bat. On the side here, we see that beautiful black trim, as well as your power windows and your power locks. You have some storage on the side of your driver's side door, and you have your power adjustable side mirrors. What's great is you also have your heated side mirrors and your heated steering wheel for those cold Alberta winters. And when things start to melt, you'll be prepared with your all-weather floor mats. And take a look at these beautiful two-tone sport interiors, nice and soft, adding that extra style with that contrasting trim. And letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof. But why don't we head on inside and start it up? Starting up your Corolla is super easy. Simply put that key into the ignition there. That dashboard will light up, and it is illuminated with that beautiful ambient lighting. We have your lane departure warning, as well as the menu on your dashboard, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. We have this beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with all your volume controls, mode changers, as well as your hands-free calling, your lane departure warning, and your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. And you can set your cruise control from below here. Taking a look at your 6.1-inch LCD touchscreen, we have your audio system, which is equipped with AM/FM radio, and your CD player is on top of here. You can plug in your USB and auxiliary inputs, as well as with your hands-free calling, you have your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Adding to that modern sporty style is your really sweet climate control. You do have that automatic climate control as well, and you have these really great chrome tabs to adjust your temperature. Down here we have your 12-volt DC charger, as well as your heated seats for both your passenger and your driver. Perfect for those cold winter months in Alberta, as well as your USB and auxiliary input. We have all the storage space available to you underneath, as well as this beautiful leather trim on your shift knob and on your parking brake. You have your traction control, plus that chrome detailing on your cup holders with that removable piece, so it's easy to clean. Taking a look at your center console, also another removable piece, plenty of space to store everything you need. And you also have that top shelf for any smaller items that you want to carry. In your glove box, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. And we see that really fine detail with the leather on top of your dashboard there. Those really cool sporty fans. All together, just a really sweet interior. But why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. To pop that trunk open, simply press that button on your fob to release. Opening it up now, You have plenty of space to store everything you need in your vehicle, as well as this handy hard cover, which underneath you have your spare tire and all the tools and jacks that you would need in case anything does happen. You also have that handy cargo lamp so that everything remains visible even when it's dark outside, as well as your emergency trunk release from the inside. Closing it up, and below we see that you have your backup camera as part of your Toyota safety sense. And of course that LE badging on the back there. But we'll take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with upgrade package. With your sporty leather trims all throughout and your power moonroof and that 6.1-inch LCD screen, you definitely have a vehicle that can match your style. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.